local Kashmiris and how much their support to this was, and a lot of people turning on Indian Muslims as a function of this too. And I want to understand if, like, your adventures into Kashmir, or for that matter into national security, have put any light to this effect.
See, Kashmiri loyalties have sort of
Shifted.
ebbed and flowed according to the political situation, according to the context. And they've always felt that they're different from rest of India. Even from rest of the Muslims in the rest of India. Kashmiri Muslims have always felt that way. So that is a reality. Cannot ignore that. Now, the discourse about what Kashmiri Muslims feel about India right now, I'm telling you, the fundamental bread and butter issue is that whether I will have my livelihood carried on, livelihood being fulfilled uninterrupted. So the ordinary Kashmiri, if you go and speak to him, he will say, I wanted to do this. There will be a certain percentage amongst the Kashmiri Muslims who will say, no, we have to also support the cause of Islam, and we should think of Pakistan as our alternative. They will be there. You cannot take that away. That is there. Now, how much does the Muslim in the rest of India support Kashmir? They probably don't support the Kashmir cause, but they support religion in that sense, that we are same religion. So today, a Bengali Muslim in Bangladesh may not have anything in common with the Kashmiri Muslim, right? But deep down somewhere he'll say he's my ideological cousin or co-religionist. So let me, in a very circular way, in a very oblique way, support the Kashmiri cause. So that used to be the fashion at one point, that anything to do with Islam, any Islamic cause, the world over would be supported by everybody. But today, I think we said it in the first interaction that we had, today Saudi Arabia, UAE, the fountainhead of Islam, the guardians of Mecca and Medina, are closely aligned with India, which is quote unquote Hindu majority India, even if secular. Why? Because ultimately economics also prevails. And I personally believe over the years, over decades, that all this political tamasha that happens of dividing Hindu and Muslims and all that is actually a political tamasha.